Hello all and welcome to the Mug Life DIY. I am Julia and I am so excited that you decided to stop by my channel. And today I am collaborating with Hiipoo and they sent me this really awesome cordless hot glue gun. Now it is a high temperature heat gun, but I was really impressed with it. They sent it to me to test it out, see how I liked it. And y'all know I have carpal tunnel syndrome, so really heavy glue guns, even my large Ryobi gun, it gets heavy after a while. So I was really excited to try this. I read the instructions and I was so excited. It even came with some glue sticks because I run out of hot glue like no other, and I am so bad about replacing them. Now it has this little base and it is magnetic, which I thought was kind of really cool, and it is a strong magnet, and it came with a little USB charger. Now I did have to use my not iPod. Wow, that's a throwback. My Apple little block that I have to plug it in, and I believe it was like an hour and a half, if that, to completely charge it, and it was ready to go. And as soon as I unplugged it, it's completely cordless and it's extremely lightweight, as I said. So you have this little button on that side-ish front side, and the light will come on red. Now, once that little red light comes on, it'll heat up, and it is a rapid heat. So y'all be prepared for when it does. I also do have a discount code for you guys for this glue gun in my description box. So make sure you check out Hiipoo, this cordless, lightweight hot glue gun. Okay, wow, that was a mouthful. So I just wanted to kind of do just some fun. I'm going to just call it throwback BoHo decor. I wanted to do just really easy projects. As y'all know, I have been sick, in and out of the hospital for, it feels like forever, and finally got blood work back. I have mono. I tested positive for this certain virus that causes mono, so all of my lymph nodes are super swollen. I still feel like my voice sounds a little bit wonky. I'm extremely tired, so I barely even want to stand to craft. So these two projects are going to be quick and super easy, super user-friendly, and anyone can do them. Now, I'm going to say this little glue gun, it is a very fine tip, which I am not used to. I'm kind of like, my glue gun's kind of spread out really heavy. So that's a really good thing if you do a lot of detail work. You know me, I just craft and go. I took these three little, oh gosh, these are hexagons, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Wow, hexagon shapes. Now I grabbed the whiteboard ones. I wanted that kind of white neutral color because you're going to see what we're going to do. And I just glued them together. I used my jumbo popsicle sticks to kind of just attach them. Wow, just look what I'm doing, y'all. And then I used skinnier popsicle sticks, craft sticks, whatever y'all want to call them. Oh man, I'm rambling. And just kind of stabilized it a little bit more and did all of that to the outside edges. Just, I really wanted it to be extra firm and secure. And if I didn't already say, this is completely Dollar Tree, of course, because who doesn't love a Dollar Tree craft? I took 3 of these little stickers, which I believe I bought these like last year, and I kind of let them overlap and just be kind of organic with the flow to them. So this project, wow, I believe I actually bought even these little hexagon shapes when it was still $1. I've had these things for that long. And I just wanted to kind of overlap. If you think this is too, it looks too weird for your taste, I would definitely say you could use an X-Acto knife and cut and trim away the excess side. But I really liked how it created this like 3-dimensional effect to the greenery, and it kind of popped off. And I don't know, I just like that little extra pizzazz that it gave. And bam, the project is done. I told you. Super, super great, beginner friendly. Now, this second project, I am actually kind of inspired off of another project that I did either last year or honestly could have been 2 years ago. And I did a larger version of this. You're going to want to use 2 of the exact same shape triangle shelves, I think is what they call them. I'm not sure what they call them, and the exact same pattern. I love this teal. This is one of my favorite colors, and I have a lot of decor in them, so that's why I am just leaving them as is. Now, I have told you guys so many times, Dollar Tree always has unfinished edges. I feel like they just don't quite make it look finished. So I took some of my black acrylic paint and painted all around the front edge. And then I'm just going to blend and dry brush all the way around just to make it look a little bit more cohesive and just complete. It's really weird. I don't know why they don't paint the sides of the front. Like, it's unfinished. It looks silly to me. I don't know. So you're going to want to paint both of your little triangle pieces with some black paint. And to attach it, I just used one really jumbo craft stick and then kind of just pushed that down. And then I just added a few more on the other sides because I wanted it a really nice and strong hold. So that's just kind of how I did. Now I just thought of this. I didn't glue the two pieces in between because you will see in a moment, I needed a little bit of space because I had an idea in my head to match another DIY I did actually last year, a while ago. I don't know. So that was kind of my method of not gluing the bottom parts. Now I took some of these little Dollar Tree greenery pieces, which I love. I feel like they're fairly new, but they could be old. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have seen these. They're very tropical and just bright, and I just love them. No idea if this is an actual real plant or not. I am not a horticulturist or anything, not one of those people. I strive to be, but I'm working on my few plants that I do have to keep them alive. Now, this was really great because it is such a fine point. I was able to not over glue my little pieces, which I tend to always over glue. Like, the glue just comes like pouring out. Because this is a fine point, I didn't have as much spillage. Spillage, is that what we're going with? Yeah, we're going with spillage. All right. So I glued both of my little greenery pieces down on both of my triangle pieces, and then you'll see how I connect and pizzazz each piece a little bit more. Add a dab of hot glue to one section, and taking my Dollar Tree faux leather ribbon that I am still obsessed about, and I probably still have like 10 more rolls. Anyone else buy an obsessive amount of this ribbon? No, just me? That's okay. I actually still have not seen this ribbon back at any of my Dollar Trees, so I don't know if they just haven't restocked this specific ribbon, but hopefully you guys have some, or you can replace it with another really cute ribbon. But I just kind of did a few little pieces or spots of glue and then just stretched it really firmly all the way around. And then my favorite part, I'm taking the little brad nails, or are they brad nails? Oh gosh, I feel like I've discussed this with you guys before. I'm taking the little gold things that they like push out the back. They have like little trees. Gosh, what are these called? Brad tacks. Tack nails? Those little gold thingies. And because I said I didn't glue the bottom pieces, I had a little bit of a gap. So I was able to push them down and then glue it up at the top. And I'm in love. Now, I have been talking about finishing my little greenery wall for quite some time, and I feel like it is coming together with all of my projects. Like, seriously, all of these projects just kind of match, and they're just so cohesive. I really am obsessed. I made that little wire rack a while ago. I'll try to find all of the links to these, so if you would like to recreate some of these pieces, you can do that. But what do you guys think? I hope you guys really enjoyed a really simple, fun, and easy DIY. I have missed everyone, and thank you guys for just being encouraging and reaching out to me on Instagram and even on here. I'm still waiting for future blood work to see if I am no longer actively sick with my virus, but hopefully soon I will be able to continue to make crafts for you guys. And that's it for here. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget, let me know which one is your favorite, and check out that Hiipoo hot glue gun. Till next time.